the impromptu in B-dur of Franz Schubert, played on a grand piano of the masterclass. The soul of this instrument harbors a tradition of almost 150 years, formed with 1,000 tricks of 4 generations of craftsmen. To create a harmony of form and sound. A grand piano is an artwork made of 12,000 parts, put together with the exceptional precision and skills of master craftsmen. To produce a top-of-the-line instrument with its unmistakable characteristics, a warm, harmonious sound and a voluminous tone development. Masterfully played, a grand piano from the workshop of August Förster of Löbau in Saxony. Founded in 1859 by Friedrich August Förster. This patent, issued in the name of the King of Saxony, evidences his exceptional enterprising spirit. The respectable manufacturing building around 1862. The director's office, already linked to the world, with its own company charter of 1872. The work rules, a rare view into the development of industrial history. Förster became purveyor to the courts of Saxony, Spain, Romania, Austria and Hungary. The business blossomed worldwide, as the author's book around 1880 show. Each instrument a unique creation. Here, in the basement vault, the drying chambers, the valuable woods are stored here up to 3 years. The moisture content of the woods in piano construction may not exceed 6%. Looking into the large machine room for woodworking, the virtual birthplace of Förster uprights and grand pianos. The solid frames are manufactured here, a strong wooden construct designed to give the instrument absolute stability. This cast plate guarantees the necessary rigidity of the piano. The special form, by the way, a Förster patent of 1866, effortlessly withstands the tension of future strings of up to 20 tons. The soundboard is held tightly by clamps, personal tools passed down from the hands of grand and great-grandfathers. The careful forming of the soundboard is one of the secrets of the sound of Förster pianos. And look, all this entirely made by hand. From measuring, cutting, chiseling, planing, to the placing of the pins on the bridges and the lacquerwork. Veneers selected to satisfy customer desires, reflecting current styling trends of the furniture industry. It takes tons of pressure to press one of these veneers. The housing is then cemented together in the wall-forming section. Carefully selected accessories complete the finish of the instruments, with wood carvings made by the hands of the artists. After spraying on the polyester, the exterior of the piano is polished to a sheen. The strings are placed as these, the bass strings, to note also produced in-house. Copper wire is wound around the steel core. Only experts can do this. Placing the strings, too, is a learned skill. The action and hammerheads are installed. That is, the entire mechanics, including the claviature. This too, an unmistakable technology of Förster, developed and refined over a century and a half. Here you can experience and observe artistic precision, to wit, the adjustment of the keys. Then, the first tuning of the instrument by a trained ear. Intonation, forming of the sound, is the final step. Frank Israel is truly a master of his trade for over 30 years with Förster. He adjusts and matches the 88 levers and hammers and thrusters and the mufflers to perfect harmony. It takes a week until the characteristic Förster sound is achieved. This is the best bass in the world, up to the counterpoint, pleasant, warm and brilliant. After half a year of manufacture and assembly, such a master grand piano is completed. The smallest grand piano, Model 170, ideal for the small concert hall. The 190, an exercise instrument for pianists and music students. The Concert Grand 215, and the largest Förster Concert Grand Piano 275, Super Mondial. The famous Förster pianos in the following styles: traditional, Chippendale, modern, classic, exclusive and elegant, the Model 125G, the Grand Concert Piano. The warm tone and the voluminous sound of the Förster instruments appreciated worldwide by composers, conductors, pianists and vocalists. Giacomo Puccini. It exceeds all my expectations with its slightly flowing sound and softness and power. Johannes Strauss. The world of Chopin achieves true brilliance on the keys of a Förster grand piano. Sergei Prokofiev. This grand piano is truly exceptional in its sound. Thanks from the king of operetta, Paul Linke, world-famous pianist Elie Ney, and Ernest Hack, the chamber vocalist. Star performers of our age, too, value the Förster instruments. References for a successful combination of form and sound. These as well are part of the Förster family tradition. Friedrich August, founder, continued with son Caesar and his descendants Manfred and Gerhard. Today this manufacturer is led by Wolfgang Förster. He's learned the business here from the pike. I am now the fourth generation. The fifth generation, also a part of this company, is my daughter Anne. And this here is the sixth generation, grandson Florian August. Löbau in fall mist of the Oberlausitz, filmed from the town landmark, a cast iron tower, unique in Europe. The sound of Förster pianos have given this town recognition all over the world. They come from here, the grand piano and piano builders, with their golden hands, with a tradition of over 1.5 centuries. This masterful sound has a first address in the world. Grand piano and piano manufacturer, August Förster.